My name is Phylisha and welcome to my channel. This is my first video doing something like this, so I hope you guys enjoy it. This is a Curlbox video. It's sort of like a product review. I'm going to talk to you guys about all of the products you see before you, and there's probably a whole lot more that you can't see, but it's okay. It's actually time for me to do some cleaning, so I'm getting rid of everything I don't use, but in the meantime I want to talk to you guys about the subscription and what I do use. Okay, so before we get into this video, I just want to talk about this curl that was probably sitting in the back of my head. This is day old hair. Did a video shoot yesterday. Not my song, but I was technically like the little video girl. Anyway, there's a girl popping out. I don't want y'all to judge me, okay? Judge me if you want to. I don't care. I just wanted to let that be known because I was so pissed, but I wasn't redoing these videos. So disclaiming video starting now. Naturals, all my girls transitioning. Why can't I say that word? This is for all my naturals, all my girls transitioning, and also for people who are just interested in trying new products. So Curlbox came out in 2011 and was created by I don't know, it's Malik or Malik. I'm so sorry if I'm pronouncing your name wrong, but yes, hey girl, and thank you. Every month they give you something different, something new, something trending, and half the time you really do, more than half the time you find stuff that you need. So it used to be $20 for the box and $5 for shipping, so it was only $25. So now it's $30, but I mean, I think that it's worth it. Every month you get surprised with different products, so you never ever know what you're getting. The first time that I received one and I was like got online going crazy trying to order it was the Black Friday box from 2014, and ever since then I have had this subscription. I think I might have canceled it for 1 year, and I think that year was 2018, so I might have like one or two from the beginning of 2018, and then I canceled it until 2019, and I got back on there because listen, the products were running low. I was still giving stuff away. It had been like some years, okay, of products. I love it. If you enjoy getting packages from Amazon and pretending like, oh yeah, I just ordered some stuff, and then when it gets there it's like, oh my god, for me, this is for you. I have 49 girl boxes. 49 trial box. Wow. Like finding products that worked for my hair texture and that like I knew how to use, or products that I could learn how to use for my hair texture, was really trial and error for a while, like for some years. I mean, and this is in between just like throwing it in protective styles and then trying to wear it out. When I went to college in 2012, I cut my hair into a short style, and then I felt like it was breaking because of all the perming and all the styling. It just looked crazy. So then I shaved my head in 2013 and my hair grew back. I damaged it again in 2016 putting a texturizer in my hair. This is the April 2017 Selfish box, okay? The Cantu apple cider vinegar root relief. This I love. Dry co-wash, which I used, but I didn't really know how to use. It says that you can use it with your braids and your locks or whatever styles that you have in your hair. I don't remember liking it too much. I remember it kind of flaking. So hey Cantu, it was a little flaky, but if y'all, you know, figure out that formula, holla at your girl. This is amazing. Ooh, it's okay. It's okay. This is amazing. I still use it from time to time. If my scalp is itching really bad, then I'll definitely like get some and just use it. Okay. This one is from April of 2019. And one of the staples that I found here is the Instant Soothing Scalp Elixir. I still have the Daily Moisture Scalp Cream, which I use here and there. The co-wash I've used. The shampoo and conditioner I've used, you know, these companies, they throw a gold little symbol on it and they're just like, yes, for textured hair. But I do love the Instant Soothe Scalp Elixir. It's peppermint oil, and if you're the type of person who likes peppermint on your skin, or excuse me, on your skin or in your scalp, or just the aroma of it, it smells great, it feels great. I usually like put some, spray some in my locks. Every year that I do like full locks, I get like 2 or 3 bottles, and I really just go through that through the summer. Okay, here's another one, July 2019. Now this one I love because this is what introduced me to Aunt Jackie's grape seed style and shine recipes. Okay, so in here they gave me the power wash clarifying shampoo, the recovery conditioner, the glossy cooling curling jelly, excuse me, the setting mousse, and the refreshing Sheen mist. Now I still have all of these, but mainly I love to use these on my boyfriend. His hair texture is really soft and curly. Really nice, thick, but soft and curly hair at the same time. He's behind the camera laughing at me right now. Okay, so December 2019. In Maui, let me just say that Maui is life, okay? Maui is life. The hair butter, the coconut milk, the combing creams, it has made doing my hair in between styles and just doing it to just leave out in a puff for the day, it has made it so easy, okay? Easy. Okay, let's talk about a very popular brand. I want to say it's pronounced Miel. I should have looked this up before I did this video, right? It's gonna be okay. So I got their rice water collection. This was actually a part of a non-subscription box. Now, I heard from a homegirl from high school that this was sold out, and when I showed it to her, I was like, oh yeah, you know, I saw this non-subscription box on Curlbox, trying to convince her to get it. I'm like, yeah, you know, they had this rice water collection, and she was freaking out because she said that she was trying to get it online. So yeah, it's also one of those places where you can definitely get the hookup for whatever products you're looking for that are probably sold out on that brand's site. But anyway, I have not used the mask. I have the mask here, the rice water clay mask. It says that you can use it on your hair and your body. I have not tried it yet. I'm not even gonna lie to you, not exactly. I haven't tried it at all, but I'm gonna get to that. The Moisturizing Milk I like. It's really nice. I've used it a good amount of times, and I think it smells great, and I think it really does keep my hair extremely moisturized. Like if I'm just doing just a few, you know, like 6 to 8 braids underneath my wigs and stuff like that. The split end therapy, I just realized that that's what it was. I used it for my whole head, in between my parts, everything. Every time, every day, until it was done. And literally it literally had like that little rice water like texture to it at the end where it was getting a little sticky. For those of you who make rice water or have seen the videos, you know what I'm talking about. It gets like really slimy and weird. But anyway, that's what it started doing after a while, and had to throw it away. But I used the vast majority of it and loved it, and it was really good, and it felt really good in my scalp. They gave the healthy adult vitamins. So if you're into healthy hair adult vitamins with biotin, it says that it's, you know, an advanced formula to support your healthy hair and immune system. And it's berry flavored. Not my favorite. Guys, if you have another one, I'm probably gonna check online to see if I can find them, because I do want to get into, you know, just taking biotin gummies, but the berry one is not my favorite, so maybe I should just try to get another one. Here changed my life. Okay, so Dr. Miracles came out with a brand new line. I don't know if it's brand new, but it was new to me. Strong and healthy line. So the restoring hair and scalp oil, love. Okay, the detox shampoo, love. It does not strip your hair. Okay, that's what I'm trying to say. It does not. Their deep conditioner, and it's literally sold out everywhere. I can't find it anywhere. I almost cried when I finished the last bit of it. Go get it if you haven't already. Dr. Miracle's Strong and Healthy collection is my favorite. This is a Cantu collection. Cantu and avocado. Okay, so yeah, it's their avocado hydrating collection. But my favorite part about this was that they gave us a whole bunch of stuff. So they gave like a head wrap, and this is what I love about Curlbox, because they don't only give you hair products, they give you bonnets, combs, soaps, different scrubs, oils, and they also give you like different hair accessories too. So this one came with clips that pretty much, like if you wear your hair in a pineapple, they goes around. and it and you can like wear it. Thank you. And you can wear it like that. It gave me a pink and it gave me a denim brush. This is the September 2020 Curlbox. And this collection, now let me just say that we're always used to seeing like all the products that we see in the stores, products that we see online. Let me tell you, this Afro Sheen collection I've never seen before. When I first got it, I was like, oh, why would they give me that? It's a trash box. I was so irritated because I get this every month and I get really excited when I see things like, oh, like I saw that online, or this person or that person. Let me be the first, if no one has said anything yet, to say that this line for you women, you men out there, you people out there, however you choose to identify yourself, if you have thick hair, I just want to say that this is the product for us, okay? I remember literally just finally one day just giving it a try. I was like, oh, I need, what did I need? What is this? I said, oh, I need a blowout spray. I need to spray my hair. Now, I usually, honorable mention, I usually use, I don't see it here. I usually use this Amla, oh, I'm probably saying it wrong. Amla Legend. Yeah, is that what it's called? Whatever. I'm sorry, not whatever. I don't know where, I don't remember exactly what it's called. But anyway, I usually use that. It's like a 10-in-1 blowout spray, and that I also got in a Curlbox. I don't know which one. We're not even gonna go there. But it was amazing for my hair until I started using this stuff. Their hair butter. Now, don't get me wrong, it's really greasy. It's like a little bit literally goes a long way. But this really changed. Even the leave-in conditioner changed the way that, this is a blowout spray. Even the leave-in conditioner changed the way that I detangle my hair. So if you haven't already, I would absolutely give it a try. It really surprised me. It was one of those where I was just like, ooh, and then it surprised the crap out of me. Get it? I don't even know where to find it, and I actually haven't even seen it in stores. Wondering if it was just a special situation, if it was just like a one-time thing. I don't even know who makes this. It just says Afro Sheen. I don't know. Whoever you are, like, send me some. I love this stuff. Please. Okay. I don't know where to find it in the stores. I've been looking, but this stuff is great. So if you guys know of any, please send me. If you know where to find this, or if you've seen it in the store, give it a try. Let me know what you think. Okay. If I had to pick from all of the boxes that I've received thus far, this Dr. Miracles collection. So this is my absolute staple. That's my absolute staple. And also a close second is definitely this Aunt Jackie's collection. Now, as far as hair products go, Maui and the Afro Sheen come in, they're almost tied. I've finally figured out like what works for my hair, or what type of product. So anything thick and super like rich or creamy is gonna work. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed yourself. I hope that you found something in here that maybe you might be able to try. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and definitely stay tuned for some more videos.